A blow-fill seal manufacturing line is a compact filling suite that takes bulk drug product, aseptically fills it in newly formed BFS resin containers, ensures the filled units meet quality standards, and preps the containers for secondary and tertiary packaging. In the following video chapters, we will divide up the BFS line into a series of subjective areas to outline the steps a BFS container should go through from filling to initial secondary packaging. For this example, we will use a bottelpack 460 rotary BFS machine from Romalog on a 0.5 milliliter filled product at 25 units per cycle. As a result, some of the details will vary by BFS machine, but the overall process is relatively consistent across all BFS filling suites.